Today I'm cooking a simple appetizer dish, sour and spicy tofu salad. It's crunchy and super easy to make. This recipe is for 5 servings. Let's start off with the oil for deep frying. Put the wok on the stove, add in 500 ml of cooking oil. Switch on the heat and wait for about 6 to 8 minutes for the oil to heat up and to be ready for deep frying. Next, prepare and cut 3 blocks of 480 grams of firm tofu. Only firm tofu is recommended for this recipe. Tofu usually come in a block like this. I wash and pat them dry. I am cutting them into half horizontally before cutting them vertically into 3 parts equally. Rotate it and cut it into half. This way, I will get 12 small pieces from 1 block of tofu. Repeat with the other 2 blocks of tofu. Altogether, I have 36 bite-sized pieces of tofu. Alright, all done. Put all of them into a plate or a mixing bowl. Take 50 grams of homemade crispy flour or any tempura flour. Sprinkle a generous amount on the tofu. Gently mix to coat the flour on all the tofu pieces. Being careful not to break any of the pieces as they are quite delicate. Alright, this is done. However, I have a lot of excess flour at the bottom of the mixing bowl. Dust off the extra crispy flour through the strainer. This allows the crispy flour to go through the mesh and onto the plate below. Set aside. After 8 minutes, check on the oil. Dip a pair of wooden cooking chopsticks. If bubble form, it means that the oil is ready for deep frying. Carefully add all the coated tofu into the hot oil. Once the tofu goes in, try not to move them until they are crispy and separated from the bottom of the wok. After 3 minutes, the tofu is crispy at the bottom. Use the cooking chopstick to separate and turn the tofu one by one. See, most of them are crispy and brown at the bottom. Perfect. Continue turning and frying for another 3 more minutes to evenly brown them on both sides. Alright, after 3 minutes, look at the tofu. They are super crispy and golden brown now. Scoop them out with a strainer and gently toss them to remove the excess oil. Place the strainer over a bowl and leave aside. Next, in a mixing bowl, put 100 grams of cucumber strips cut into 2-inch strips, 50 grams of red onions, 20 grams of parsley cut into about 1-inch strips, 10 grams of spring onions cut into 1-inch strips, and 12 grams of red chili with the seed removed and cut into 1-inch strips. Gently toss all the vegetables until well mixed. Then add all the crispy fried tofu over the vegetable. Pour about 3 tablespoons of my homemade Thai Chicken Chilli Sauce. The recipe for the chili sauce is in the see more link. You can adjust the amount of chili sauce as preferred. Gently stir and mix them all together until they are well coated with the Thai Chicken Chilli Sauce. It looks so good and the sharp, sour fragrance from the sauce is so appetizing. Alright, our simple and delicious sour spicy tofu salad is ready to be served. Dish it out. And let's eat! Wow, it is so good and very savory. The vegetables are crunchy and the tofu is crispy from the outside and soft inside, while the Thai chicken chili sauce is sweet, sour and spicy all in one. Enjoy! This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!